Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are doing ayah number 87, remaining part of our ayah number 87 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وآتينا عيسى ابن مريم البينات وأيدناه بروح القدس. Circle your lips for wow, to pronounce wow, and open your jaws for fatha. A is two haraka long, and Hamza has a very clear sharp sound. A tay two haraka long, and na is also two counts long. These all are two counts long. Wa atayna. Squeeze your throat well to pronounce the ain. And for kasra, say e sound. With ain sound, you are merging that e sound because there is kasra. Two counts long. Sab. This scene has safir, has whistle sound, and then it is attached with ba, and ba has qalqala. How many letters have qalqala? We have these: qutubu, qa, qaf, ta, sorry, ta. This is ta, ta, and ba. Qutubu jaddin. This is a mnemonic for the letters which has qalqala. Whenever they come with sukoon, whether they are in the middle of the ayah, just like sabena, or they are at the end when we are giving them temporary sukoon, in both ways they will get qalqala. So qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are in Quran which has qalqala when they are in the state of sukoon. So Isab, we bounce the sound of ba over here because this is part of kutubu jaddin, the qalqala letters, qalqala, and we give them abbreviation of Q. These are qalqala. So we will say we have qalqala on ba. Isab, na is short, mar. Give the wasut, medium flow of sound on ra, mar, and it's heavy. Why? Because it has fatha before it. Mar, ya is short, mal, mim is attached with lam. Give the wasut on lam, mal, bay. Open your jaws for fatha and attach it with ya, bay, and we will give nabar a little rise of your voice on ya, bay, and kasra has double e sound. Every kasra, don't miss that this e sound, bay. Look, I'm adding this e sound, bay. Na is two haraka long, t short. Bayyinati. Na, two counts long, T is one count. So there should be a clear difference. Nati. Wa, circle your lips well. For fatha, open your jaw. Wa, ay. For fatha, open your jaw and attach it with ya. Ayyad. Again, dal is there, and dal is part of qalqala letters. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. And here we see there is dal, so we will give qalqala on dal because it has sukoon too. Wa ayyadna, na, two counts long, hu, one count long. B, every kasra has e sound. B, uru, circle your lips well for dhamma, uru, and it is two count long. Why? Because waw is followed by dhamma. Whenever alif is followed by fatha, waw is followed by dhamma, and ya is followed by kasra. These are the three mad letters which you stretch 2 counts long. Okay? So ru is long, 2 counts long. Why? Because waw is followed by dhamma. Bi ruhil, give e sound on every kasra and give hums on ha. Ruhi, hil, hums. What is hums? Hums is a flow of breath. So we'll give the sound on ha, like a breath, like when you clean glass, your glasses, how you clean them. Say, this sound. The same way you say for ha. Hil, circle your lips for qaf and make it heavy. Why it's heavy? Because it is among heavy letters. And how many heavy letters are there in Quran? These are قصة ضغط qiz. If you memorize these mnemonics, it will make your life easy. Yes, I'm telling you. قصة ضغط ضغط. This is line, sorry. My writing is leading bad over here because I'm writing with my finger, dragging my finger. ضغط قض. These are the 7 letters. Which letters are these? Can you name? Kha, Sad, Dod, Ghain, Ta, Qaf, and Gha. These are the 7 letters which are permanently heavy. So look, we have Qaf here. U. Lift your tongue up to make any letter heavy. U, Dus. Now we are giving temporary sukoon over here. So Seen will have sukoon. Qudus. A, short and sharp sound. A, fa. Open your jaws for every fatha. A, fa. Kulla. Circle your lips for dhamma and attach it with lam. Kulla. La, for fatha. Open your jaws. Ma. 2 haraka long. Why? Because alif is followed by fatha. Look, alif is followed by fatha. Whenever these 3 letters, harf mad, comes in Quran, they are always long. Ma, ja is 4 haraka long because it has mad. And whenever hamza comes after mad letter, it is 4 haraka long. Ja'akum, circle your lips for dhamma and straight them on mim. Kum, ra, for ra with fatha has always this sound. Raw material. Yes. Say this word as raw. It will serve the purpose. Raw, circle your lips well for dhamma and stretch it. 2 counts long. Rasulum. B. Every kasra has double sound. B. Ma. 2 haraka long. 2 counts long. Bima la. B is 1 count long. Ma 2 counts long. La 2 counts long. Ta. Ha has a flow of sound. Tahwa 4 haraka long. Hamza is shadid. Fu, circle your lips well for dhamma. Fu su kumus. This meme is attached with seen. Mus. Seen has safid. Seen has rakhawa. Flow of sound. Mustak. Tak. Ta is attached with mus. فهذا شخص سكت. It has flow of breath. Mustak. Tak. Ta is attached with kaf. Kaf has hums. Flow of breath. Hums. Mustakbar. Ba is heavy. Oh, sorry, ba is light. Ra is heavy. Bartum. Circle your lips for dhamma. Straight them on meme. When you will touch meme, the lips should be in a straight position, just like you are not saying anything. Tum. straighten them. They shouldn't be in the position of dhamma. When you are on ta, circle your lips well. When you are on meme, the lips should be in a very normal position. Tum, fa, 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 short, fa, short, with hums. Both have hums. Fa has hums, always hums. Flow of breath. Fa, fa, ri. Ri is 2 counts long. Pang, ikhfa, light ikhfa. Kadh, kaf is light. Flow of sound on dal. Kadhabe. Yes, qalqala is here. Why? Ba is the part of qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Kutubu jaddin. And it has qalqala. So we'll say there is a qalqala on ba. Whenever you will find qaf with sukoon, ta with sukoon, ba with sukoon, jim with sukoon, or dal with sukoon, you will create kalkala on them. Kadhabe, kadhabe, tum. Circle your lips well for ta, for dhamma, and go back on meme. Wa, circle your lips for wow. Fa, hums on fa and short sound. Ri, ri is 2 counts long. Why? Because ya is followed by kasra. Qang, taqo. Ta is light, but qa is heavy. Don't make ta heavy. Whenever we find any letter heavy, we make the letters which are around it also heavy. No, don't make ta heavy. Ta is light and qaf is heavy. Look how we do it. Taqo. And qaf has qalqala too because it's part of qutubu jaddin. Taqatu, to circle your lips for dhamma. Taqatulun, whenever you put temporary sukoon to give waqf, you stretch the mud letter 4 harak along. Taqatulun.